Hey everybody, Ellen here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the battery in a 2016 Toyota RAV4 XLE. Procedures will be similar for most RAV4 models from 2013 to 2018, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before you get started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the hood. Use a ratchet and 10mm socket or wrench to loosen and set aside the battery cables, starting with the negative cable, then the positive. Use the same tool to loosen and remove the bolt securing the battery hold down at the front, and to loosen the nut at the top of the rod at the back. Move the hold down aside. Slide the insulating sleeve off the battery and lift the battery out. Set the new battery in the tray and remove the battery handle if needed. And remove the terminal post covers. Use battery terminal cleaner to remove any protective coating from the battery posts. Place the new battery terminal protectors on the post to help prevent corrosion. Slide the insulating sleeve into place. Move the hold down back into position. Slide the rod into place, making sure the hook at the bottom of the rod at the back is secured properly. Use your 10mm wrench or socket to secure the fasteners on either side of the hold down. Using the same tool, reattach your positive battery cable first, then the negative. Double check the cables to make sure they're secure. Take your terminal protector spray and shake the can well. Hold it 10 to 12 inches from the surface and spray down the battery tray, hold down, terminal cables, and battery posts. Now close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or at O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we would be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all of our new video content. And we'll see you again soon.